Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. These are Monica presentation templates. You just need to extract this. So you'll get this folder and there are Monica Google Slides, default green, pink, white and yellow, and these are Monica keynotes, pink and yellow, and Monica PowerPoint. So let's open this. This is completely editable in Microsoft Word. You can write your text here and on heading, tagline here. This has almost 30 slides and it's all are completely editable. Everything is editable. And just come to other green. It's in green color. Same thing, editable completely. And pink color, violet yellow, okay. So there are Monica keynote. Okay, so these are PowerPoint presentation. Same thing and completely editable. So you can download this from the link in the description. Just click on the link and you will reach this website and you can download from here. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like this video. Take care.